Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious shrimp tomato stew. So let's see what the ingredients will be for this recipe. For my first ingredient, I have 1 bag of large raw shrimps that I have peeled and washed in lemon juice, then rinsed under cool running water. I'm going to start off by seasoning my shrimps with half a cup to a cup of mixed bell peppers and onion. I'm adding half of a chopped onion to my shrimps. I'm covering my shrimps with some dry basil leaves. I'm lightly sprinkling some seasoning salt to taste. Next, I'm sprinkling a small amount of garlic salt. I am adding 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. For my last ingredient, I'm adding a pinch of turmeric powder. Now I'm ready to mix all my ingredients together. Starting off by preheating 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm adding half of a chopped onion as well as some mixed bell peppers. I'm using my flat spatula to mix my vegetables, and I'm going to cook them covered on medium heat until they are translucent or soft. I'm mixing my vegetable occasionally while they are cooking. Once my vegetables are translucent, I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of tomato paste. Then I'm going to use my spatula to mix in the tomato paste with my vegetables. I'm mixing all my ingredients evenly, then I'm going to bring my shrimps to a boil. Once my stew starts to boil, I'm going to add water to my pot, enough to cover my shrimps. I'm using my spatula to spread my shrimps evenly throughout the pot. In order for me to get a thicker stew, I'm mixing in 1 additional teaspoon of tomato paste, Next, I'm going to cover it and steam it for about 5 minutes. I'm adding some dry basil leaves. Now I'm adding some fire to my shrimps by adding 3 teaspoons of picante medium sauce. I'm using my spatula to evenly spread the picante sauce. Then I'm going to cover my shrimps and cook it on low for an additional 10 to 15 minutes or until my sauce has thickened. Whilst my shrimps are cooking, I'm going to stir my pot occasionally. I served my shrimp tomato stew with some spinach rice. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.